Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to give you a closer look at the Don-Jo PDL-100 605 polished brass pocket sliding door lock. It's not a lock, it's a passage set. That's what it looks like. Polished brass finish. You basically cut a notch in the edge of the door per the template, and I have instructions included here. And you know, you hit the top of the gravity pull handle, you just grab it, and that's how you would pull your door out. This will work for 1 3/8 doors. It will work for 1 3/4 doors. It has longer screws for 1 3/4. It also includes a pin, which you would not need for a passage. It's available in multiple finishes, passage, privacy. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.